কত ভালো লাগে তোমারে কিশোর বন্ধু বাঁশরিয়া।
Dhaka Handicrafts started in 1976 after the liberation. It was not Dhaka Handicrafts at that time. It used to call Ofo the Month Handicrafts. It was part of Ofo the Month. Then in 1997 we separated from Ofo the Month and we became Dhaka Handicrafts. And in 1999 Dhaka Handicrafts started to export by itself. Dhaka Handicrafts is having 40 groups right now. Mainly we work with the cane producer, which also known as rattan. We have potteries, which is terracotta. We have we used to have a lot of terracottas. We have grass baskets. Mainly Dhaka Handicrafts is very well known in the international market for the basketries item and the baskets. We give them the advance for the purchase of the raw material. We also provide a scholarship to the group's members' kids, especially the women, for their education. Dhaka Handicrafts provide the pregnancy benefits. We also distribute sapling. We have taken these women, those who are sitting at the rural areas and they are not earning or developing in the economy. So we have chosen them to do the work with us, because then we don't bring them from their house to the factory. We thought it will be good if we go to them. It is also accepted by the home, by their families, by their husband and among family members, because other family members also think, okay, she is earning, so she has the right to talk. So over 15 to 16 years, they really have Dhaka Handicrafts changed their life. Though it takes time, development takes time. It's not that they can do over the night, but it has really impact on our producer, to whom we are working for a long time.